So we got this situation. So in this part, we have to integrate something. Okay. So in this part, we will take some questions which has to be manipulated little bit so that we can directly apply the formula. Look, so if you'll observe this question, we have 2 power x plus 3 power x by 5 power x dx. So we have to integrate this part. If we will have only 2 power x, we can directly apply that formula, integration of a power x dx as a power x by log a plus c. Correct now? But here we cannot apply because we have something in the denominator waiting for their turn. So what we should do? Just segregate this question. So can I write 2 power x by 5 power x plus 3 power x 5 power x dx? Okay. Now you know that while dealing with integration, if you have addition or subtraction, you can segregate. So can I write 2 by 5 power x dx plus 3 by 5 power x dx? Now do the integration. So here you can observe a power x where a is 2 by 5. So can I write 2 by 5 power x upon log 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 power x upon log 3 by 5 plus integration constant c. So this way we have manipulated this question to get the result. I hope the idea is clear. Let's move on to the next illustration.